I recently used Shree International Packers and Movers to move my house from Mumbai to Pune. I was very impressed with their service. They were professional, efficient, and careful with my belongings. The company arrived on time and got to work immediately. They packed everything carefully using high-quality materials. They also took the time to label each box, which made it easy for me to unpack at my new home. The movers were very careful with my belongings. They took extra care with my fragile items, and they made sure that everything was secure during the move. I was also impressed with the company's competitive pricing. They were very upfront about their fees, and they didn't try to add any hidden charges. Overall, I was very happy with Shree International Packers and Movers. They provided excellent service at a competitive price. I would definitely recommend them to anyone who is looking for a reliable and trustworthy moving company.